Good Monday morning, and thanks for logging on to tdsweather.com. I'm meteorologist Joseph Cooper with your Monday morning forecast here for the region as we have dry weather in place across most of the area this morning. You can see rainfall back out into Iowa and Missouri. We also have a few showers back out towards Detroit, but those will be ending here pretty soon. For most of us, we're going to end up dry across the area today, but we will see rain showers spreading on into places across Illinois and Wisconsin. So getting into the next couple of hours here, as we head on into 9 and 10 a.m., you can see those showers out towards Detroit have exited. The rest of us are dry mid-morning as we go through 11 o'clock and noon. A few showers back out into northwestern Illinois as we head on into lunchtime. And as we go into 1 and 2 o'clock, you can still see on through 3, 4, 5 o'clock. For the most part, the rain and a few thunderstorms is focused back out across Illinois, back into southern Wisconsin, in a little bit more of a scattered fashion here. You may see a few scattered showers out into far western portions of Indiana from Lafayette back down towards Terre Haute as well as we head through late afternoon, early evening towards that 4, 5, 6 o'clock time frame. As we continue into 7, 8, 9 o'clock, rainfall still primarily focused into northwestern, western Indiana, back out into portions of Illinois here, a little bit more concentrated south of I-80 into central and southern Illinois here. A lot of Indiana, a lot of Ohio are dry. Wisconsin's mostly dry. We're starting to see a few showers and a couple thunderstorms stretching back out across southern and kind of eastern portions of Michigan as we work through the evening, and we continue into 9 and 10 o'clock, and you can still see that activity up there across north central Illinois, back up into northern Indiana ongoing, and then back stretching towards Lansing and out towards Flint into portions of Michigan. As we continue overnight, the showers will spread out across Indiana into southern Ohio probably after midnight towards 3, 4, 5 a.m. We're still going to have showers ongoing back out across across Illinois. We're still dry into northern Ohio, and for the most part out across Michigan as well, although there could be a few isolated showers there into the Detroit area overnight. We get into tomorrow morning, area of low pressure is going to start to move on through. So initially, we're seeing more isolated activity into Indiana, back out across Ohio, back out across Michigan, a little bit greater activity into southern Illinois as well as northern Illinois tomorrow morning. And as we continue through the morning into noon, again tomorrow, you're probably focusing a lot of that rainfall back out into Illinois, western Indiana, back out across central portions of Michigan and northern portions of Ohio. But as we continue through the afternoon on Tuesday into 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 p.m. into the evening, you can see scattered showers spreading out across Indiana as well. We're still seeing isolated showers back out into Michigan. Activity tomorrow, late afternoon into the evening across northern Illinois is finally coming to an end, so you see some drier periods of weather there, and you're seeing a few isolated showers down into southern portions of Ohio as well. We continue through tomorrow night on into Wednesday morning. You can kind of see the activity down across southern Illinois and southern Indiana spinning around the area of low pressure. So tomorrow night on into Wednesday morning, the southern portions of the state will continue to see some showers, maybe a few thunderstorms, the southern portions of the region, but central northern Ohio Valley into the southern Great Lakes, you guys are finally drying out as we continue through the daytime hours here into lunchtime, into early afternoon on Wednesday. Dry weather's in place for most of us here on Wednesday as that area of low pressure exits. Maybe some showers back out into far eastern portions of Ohio Wednesday afternoon. And then Wednesday night on into Thursday, we're dry initially, but then we'll see another system coming on in here for Thursday that will give us additional shower chances. So it's not like we're seeing tons of rainfall this week, and we're not really seeing quote-unquote washouts, but we are seeing a pretty unsettled pattern across the region as we head through this week, thanks to some upper level troughing. Rainfall through this evening, the majority of this is going to be focused into northern Illinois, where you guys could see a more widespread couple tenths of an inch up to about 6/10 of an inch of rainfall. Elsewhere, you're getting probably a quarter inch or less across central and southern Illinois. You're seeing less than a couple tenths of an inch up across central portions of Michigan. The rest of us not seeing much in the way of rainfall today, but we continue to progress this on through Wednesday evening, and you can see a pretty widespread area of half an inch to an inch of rainfall is expected across Illinois, back down into central and southern Indiana, central and southern Ohio, a little bit less as you work into northern Indiana, northern Ohio, and Michigan as far as those higher end totals are concerned. Temperatures for today, most of us will end up into the upper 70s to low 80s, a little bit cooler back out into Illinois and southern Wisconsin, where you're more into the low to mid 70s thanks to the rain and the cloud cover. Overnight overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, temperatures will drop down into the upper 50s to low 60s from most locations here. Again, far southern Wisconsin, far northern Illinois, you guys will probably be in the middle to upper 40s, low 50s as you start to see that frontal boundary sag to the south. And then we head into the daytime hours tomorrow, and again, we're into the upper 60s, low 70s, and again, a little bit cooler into northeastern portions of Illinois, into the 50s there. As we continue on into Wednesday, we're seeing temperatures that will be into the upper 60s to low 70s, some middle 70s into the far southern portions of the Ohio Valley, and we kind of keep that forecast on into the end of the week. Most of us upper 60s to mid 70s across the area on into Thursday. So we're not going to be overly cool this week. Actually, pretty decent as far as temperatures are concerned here, as we don't have any real warm air or any real cool air coming on into the forecast here. That's all I have for you this morning. Everybody, thanks for logging on. Have a great day.